Hello class third, you all are welcome back again in your computer class. Hope you all are doing good. In today's class, we are going to study chapter number 2 and the name of the chapter is Windows 11. So in this class, we are going to learn about what? About Windows 11. Now, what is Windows and what is Windows 11? Let us read what is written in your book. Let us look into the book what it is written. Window क्या है? Window is a collection of program known as operating system OS and ये क्या करता है? ये कंप्यूटर को कंट्रोल करता है. Now Windows is the place people go to create, connect, learn and achieve a platform over a billion people today rely on. फर्स्ट विंडो बच्चों लॉन्च किया गया था. द फर्स्ट विंडोज वाज लॉन्च इन 1985 वाज विंडोज 1.0. लेटर उसके बाद बहुत सारे विंडोज आए सच एज विंडोज एक्सपी, विंडोज विस्टा, विंडोज 7, विंडोज 8 एंड विंडोज 10 एंड विंडोज 11. Here you can see the icon of these windows. Now let us discuss about Windows 11. So Windows 11 is the successor to Windows 10. 10 के बाद Windows 11 उसका successor है. Now Microsoft has officially released Windows 11 and anyone with a compatible laptop or PC can upgrade now. The new operating system it comes with completely new and fresh interface. इसका जो interface है एकदम fresh है और एकदम new है. इसमें new apps हैं, new features हैं, and some functionality changes भी इसमें दिए गए हैं. Then we have features of Windows 11. Here are a few of the standout new features of Windows 11. Number one, Mac-like interface. Windows 11 features a clean design with rounded corners, pastel shades, and a center start menu and text bar. Next, we have InfoSol. So Windows क्या है? Windows was first produced by Microsoft in November 1985 and it has been updated regularly. Before Windows, PC should only be operated with text commands. Next, we have integrated Android apps. So Android apps will be coming to Windows 11 via the Amazon App Store and which will be accessible within the update Microsoft Store. Next, we have widgets. So widget you can now access widget directly from the taskbar or personalize them. आप उसको personalize भी कर सकते हैं to see whatever you should like. Now you usually reflect our interest and the way we work. It usually reflects. Then we have gaming. So here we have the facility of gaming too. HDR is supported on compatible machine. Now offering improved lighting and contrast for gaming and viewing media. Direct storage is also here. So with the main game assets able to download and install, enabling you to play your games even faster than before. Next, we have better visual desktop. So Windows 11 can set up a virtual desktop by how? By toggling between multiple desktop for personal work, school and for gaming. बच्चों, you can also change your wallpaper. आप wallpaper भी change कर सकते हैं which with each virtual desktop. Now, better multitasking. इसकी tasking जो है वो better है. It can perform so many tasks. That's why it is written better multitasking. The new OS include क्या क्या include करता है? The features called Snap Groups and Snap Layouts, which is a collection of apps you are using at once. Now, this option it sits in taskbar and can come up or be minimized at the same time for easier task switching. Now, they also let you plug and unplug from a monitor more easily without losing where your open windows are located. अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We can tile two or more windows side by side at an even length, side by side with one side bigger, straight down the middle in the vertical column, straight down the middle with the middle one and being bigger or more. Now how we can sign to Windows 11 PC? कैसे sign करेंगे? Very easy it is. So when you turn on PC को आप turn on करेंगे, आप क्या देखेंगे? You will see the date and time and day. Now click it and you will see a login screen with your PC's name and your photo like this you can see. Now what you have to do, log in using the correct credentials and click on the arrow right next to it. Now once you logged in, you will land on desktop. This is where you can start exploring your PC. Now open various files and folders, launch application, etc. Windows 11 has an all new start menu which has Windows 11 logo as its icon. Then we have components of Windows 11. Now we have Start menu. The Windows 11 Start menu is the first icon and button in new Windows 11 taskbar. Here you can see we have desktop screen, then we have widgets, then we have icon, then we have Start button, task view, mail, Google Chrome, and then we have time and date. Now, next, when you click on Windows 11 Start menu, it opens up a group of icons जो include करता है Microsoft Edge, Mail, Calendar, Microsoft Store, Photos, Setting, Office, Xbox, and many more. Then we have Taskbar. So Windows 11 has a new taskbar. It's centered at the bottom of the main home screen in the user interface. Now the taskbar has 7 icons that are useful to Windows user, and they are Start menu, Search Task View, File Explorer, Mail, Microsoft Store, and Google Chrome. Next, what we have to do, we have to search. The Windows 11 search function, it is located in the Windows 11 taskbar, and it is the second icon. When you click on Windows 11 search button, a screen comes up that allow you to search the file, folders, app, etc. located on your PC. You can also click on what? You can also click on the More menu to find the apps as shown in the picture. The Windows 11 search function seems to be cleaner in Windows 11 and allows you to find what you are looking for in a faster or more efficient manner. Here we have widget. Widget क्या है? Windows 11 widget. ये located है at the left corner of window with 11 taskbar. Now a Windows 11 widget are composed of weather. इसमें weather हमें दिखाई देता है money, market, sports and top stories. Now Windows 11's widgets, they are scrollable. Depending on the amount of Windows 11 widget you can scroll vertically to see more. Now what you can do, you can click on the cross on each widget to close the content of widget. Then we have task view. Like this you can see at your screen, at your book as well कि कैसे task view आता है बच्चों. So Windows 11 has a new Windows 11 task view function. ये located as a third icon and in the Windows 11 taskbar, and the Windows 11 task view functionality allows the user to switch between multiple Windows 11 desktop views. Now, you can switch between desktop and Windows 11 using the Windows 11 Task View functionality. Here we have File Explorer. Windows 11 Explorer is fourth icon in the Windows 11 taskbar, and the Windows 11 File Explorer opens up to the File Explorer user interface. To check it out, press Windows key plus E on the keyboard. Then we have settings. So in Windows 11, setting is where you can make changes to configuration of Windows 11 and operating system. Now to get Windows 11 setting, what you have to do, the faster way is by clicking on the first icon in the taskbar, the Start menu. Now once you will click, आप क्या देख पाएंगे? You are presented with the settings screen. Like this, the screen will show. Now what you have to do next, how to shut down Windows 11. So let us learn how to shut down Windows 11. Windows 11 shut down करने के लिए what you have to do, to shut down your PC, launch the Start menu and you will see a power button on the bottom right corner. Here you can see. Now click power button and you will get the option to sleep, shut down or restart your PC. Then we have alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Alt plus F4 Alt plus F4 to shut down your PC. Now अगर आपको directly PC को shut down करना है तो you can use Alt F4. Now the following screen will appear like this. So you will only have to click on shut down and the PC will shut down. Click on shut down and this system will shut down in few minutes. Next, we have quick tips for you. So never shut down your PC directly by pressing the power button. This can corrupt files and potentially damage your computer. So remember this point. Then we have revising point from the chapter. So what you have to do, you have to summarize all the point from the chapter. It is given in VBoot. The first window launch in 1985 was Windows 10. Windows 1.0 सॉरी. Now Windows 11 के बारे में हमने पढ़ा, ये क्या है? ये सक्सेसर है Windows 10 का. Windows 11 can set up virtual desktop by toggling between multiple desktops, and you can also click on cross on each widget to close the content of the widget. Now to shut down the PC, launch the Start menu and click on power button on the bottom right corner. That's all about this class. Revise the chapter properly. I will be seeing you in another computer class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.